By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find, merge, and prevent duplicate records in Airtable using 3 powerful methods. Airtable is an incredibly flexible tool, but as your base grows, duplicate entries can really muddy your data and lead to inaccurate reporting. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe. And let's get started. Let's begin with the most robust method for handling duplicates that are already in your base, especially if you need to merge data from multiple rows into a single clean record. This is the dedupe extension. Think of it as your command center for cleaning up messy data. To get started, look at the right-hand panel of your Airtable base. You'll see an icon that looks like a puzzle piece, labeled Extensions. Click that, and then click the button that says Add an Extension. A marketplace of tools will open up, and you simply search for dedupe. Go ahead and select it, and then follow the prompts to add it to your base. Once the dedupe extension is open, you'll need to point it to the right data. First, select the table you want to clean up. Then, choose the specific view within that table. You might want to create a dedicated view that only shows the records you're suspicious about, just to keep things focused. Next, you'll pick the field that the extension should check for duplicates. This is crucial. For most people, this is going to be an email address or a phone number, something that should be truly unique per record. Then, you'll set the matching criteria. An exact match is straightforward, but Airtable's dedupe also offers a fuzzy match, which is brilliant for catching small typos or minor inconsistencies, like John Smith versus John Smith. I usually recommend starting with an exact match for speed, and then running a fuzzy match afterward to catch anything you might have missed. This 2-pass approach is a best practice that can save you a lot of manual work. After you run the scan, dedupe will present you with a list of potential duplicates. This is where the real power comes in. For each group of duplicates, you can select a primary record. That's the one you want to keep as your master. Then, you can click on any specific cell from any of the other records in that group and merge that data into the primary record. For example, if one record has a phone number and another has an updated address, you can cherry-pick those values and bring them together. Finally, you can delete the leftover duplicate records right from within the extension. It's a surgical, data-preserving process that saves you from the old copy-paste nightmare. If you want a deeper visual walkthrough of this exact process, I will link a fantastic video in the description that shows it from start to finish. Now, what if you're on a free plan and don't have access to extensions? Don't worry. You can still tackle duplicates manually with a very clever trick: grouping. This is your go-to method for a quick, no-cost audit. Go to your table, and in the view bar at the top, that's the horizontal bar just above your first record, you'll see a button that says Group. Click it, and then choose the field where duplicates usually occur. If you suspect you have multiple customers with the same name, group by customer name. Instantly, Airtable will collate all records that share the same value into neat collapsible groups. Any group that contains more than one record is a red flag. You can expand that group, look at the records side by side, and manually decide which one to keep. It's a straightforward visual way to spot trouble without spending a dime. A quick pitfall to avoid here: grouping only works within the current view, so make sure you haven't inadvertently filtered out any potential duplicates. Finally, let's talk about the smarter way to handle this: prevention. You can set up an automation to flag or remove duplicates the moment they try to sneak in. Head over to the Automations tab in the top right of your base. Create a new automation and set the trigger to when a record is created. This is your watchtower. Now, add an action to find records in the same table that match the newly created records identifying field. Again, that could be the email or name. Here's where you get clever. Add a conditional step. You can tell Airtable if the find records action returns more than one result, meaning the new record is a duplicate, then do something. You have a couple of great options. You can use an update record action to check a checkbox field that says duplicate, which lets you review it later. Or if you're feeling confident in your data, you can use a delete record action to remove it automatically. This setup acts like a gatekeeper, keeping your base clean from the ground up without any daily manual effort. So, to wrap it all up, you now have 3 powerful strategies in your Airtable toolkit. For merging complex data, you've got the dedupe extension. For a free and quick scan, you know how to use grouping. And for long-term cleanliness, you can set up an automation to prevent duplicates from ever appearing. Mastering these methods will keep your data trustworthy and your reporting accurate. A great next step is to pick one small table, apply these techniques, and see the difference it makes. If you found value here, please save this video or revisit it anytime you need a refresh. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.